Are you prepared?
I'm prepared.
Pearadox is from Pearland, Texas, that in 2022 was rated the most diverse small city in America.
Since 2014, Pearadox has prepared its students for the challenges of the future with PEARS, passion, effort, attitude, respect, and service.
Are you prepared to build a robot?
We recognize that, in Texas, almost half the teams started since 2015 no longer exist.
Pearadox students created our pre-pair program to seek out these teams to provide aid, enhancing their first experience.
Each year when the game is released, we host Pair Up, inviting teams to our facility to watch the reveal and strategize for the year.
Teams utilize our open doors policy, where they have access to our full field, industrial machine shop, tools, students, mentors, and vast knowledge base.
Our annual Inspection Perfection event allows teams to get inspected at a competition level while providing them with access to our resources.
Since 2018, our paratroopers have been deployed at competitions to offer a helping hand to teams.
This past year alone, we assisted over 80 teams from 7 countries and 10 states.
We take pride in mentoring our 8 FTC and 6 FLL teams, which pave the path towards the future for Pearadox.
Are you prepared to build a stronger community?
Our girls' get-togethers show girls they have what it takes to pursue STEM.
At the 2024 World Championship, we hosted over 350 attendees to network with our 12 STEM professionals.
Our Brilliant Black Builders build a community in STEM for students of color to share experiences.
Last year at Worlds, we invited over 100 attendees to network with over 40 Black STEM professionals.
Safe Space in STEM was founded to show queer students a loving environment in STEM.
Each year since its founding, we've gotten Dean Kamen to sign our Pride Plaque.
Are you prepared to defy stereotypes and instill confidence?
We created Princesses with Power Tools to show girls aged 5 through 12 they can be creative, confident, and capable.
One princess, one power tool, one community.
Are you prepared to join us in making an impact?
While our events and initiatives are a core part of our team, they shouldn't be unique to us. They should be the standard.
The hardest step is the first. Our DIY catalog provides a blueprint to teams who have the drive but lack the experience to take the first step.
Our free catalog's reach has expanded across the globe. This year, we inspired over 5 FRC teams to use our DIY manual to hold their own girls' get-together.
We cultivate a positive STEM culture in FIRST, one that's inclusive, sustainable, and collaborative.
We're prepared
to do anything.